Hey guys, I'm Scott Carson, one of the founding members of the ACBA, the Aesthetic Cosmetic Business Association. I'm here at the invitation of Kris Groop, the Aesthetic Advisor TV, to be interviewed about some of the changes that affect our industry, some of the tactics that really damage the enterprise value of our practices and our businesses. As a distributor and reseller myself, these same things affect me, and this is the reason why myself and other board members came together to make these changes.
I'm Kris Groop with Aesthetic Advisor TV, and I'm here with Scott Carson of the Aesthetics and Cosmetic Business Association to begin our series, Zapped, Tactics that Laser Manufacturers Use Against You and What You Can Do to Protect Yourself. Scott, there's a question that a lot of us practitioners and clinicians want to know about, and it's, where do the reps go? I sometimes have to go to a trade show and go through all the booths to find the reps that actually were with one manufacturer, and now I don't know where they are. And it happened with a machine that I bought that after my rep left, I wasn't quite sure where they were going to turn up, and I needed some help with a manual, and I couldn't get any information. So where did all the reps go?
It's such an interesting thing in this industry. You know, we see turnover in every industry with staffing or sales reps, but in this industry, it seems to be extreme. And I think there's some real data points that we can look at. You have to remember that these devices are very expensive. And within a region, and almost every laser manufacturer sells by geographic boundaries, there's only so many people that can afford to buy a $50, $100, $150, $200,000 device. And remember what I mentioned in a previous segment, and if you haven't seen it, you can go back and look at it. But we talked about overselling technology. And as we see reps that are overselling these technology and really trying to maximize the value as high as they possibly can, what it does is it leaves a bad taste in a lot of clinicians' experience. They're not happy. And there's only so many people that a rep can sell it to. Many of them are unhappy with being oversold a piece of technology. They're unhappy with being sold a device for more than somebody else paid for it, or close to MSRP or ASP when other people got it for floor pricing. And so what this does is it makes it very difficult for them to sell. Another thing you have to remember is technology is cyclical. So as a new device comes out, it's the hot device for a period of time, and manufacturers are constantly fighting with one another to bring out that new technology. So you combine all three of those things: the cyclical nature of technology coming out, the fact that they've oversold technology to you, the fact that they may have charged you more than they've charged anyone else in the region, it leaves a bad taste in your mouth with clinicians. So it's best for them in many cases to move on to a new manufacturer. And then what you see is when the new rep comes in, you know what, had nothing to do with me. I'm the new guy. You know, I was working for these guys, and I will never do that to you. I don't know if that's, exactly how it works, but it sure seems to be a theme.
I guess that answers where all the reps goes. Thanks for the information, Scott. We spent some time discussing one tactic that laser manufacturers use against you and what you can do to help protect yourself. We'd like to thank Scott Carson of the ACBA for his dedication to the laser industry and also for spending some of his time with us. If you'd like more information regarding the ACBA, please visit www.acba.expert. I'm Kris Groop. Thanks for watching.